All right, folks, so movies will always reign supreme as the ultimate form of entertainment. What are the movies to include on your must-watch list for 2023? Damian Micheal, movies, Rotten Tomatoes critic for TVJ's Entertainment Report and The Gleaner, joins us via Zoom to break it down for us. Damian, morning, welcome. All the very best for the New Year, sir, to you and your family.
Hi, yes, good morning. Happy New Year to you as well.
Yeah, man, thanks. Forgive me ignorance, because when I was looking at it, I said, but these movies don't come out yet, so Damian know what going on the movie them. So, would you just go off the trailers or what? How do you know, before we get specific to the movies, how you know what's going on?
Well, at the end of 2022, there's preparations for what's coming out in 2023. Every one of these movies, well, most of them have had trailers released, and you tend to know about who has been cast in it, who is working on it in the year leading up to the movie's release. So they have a big campaign, and then when it comes to this year, you just know exactly what to look out for.
Okay, and you can tell from upfront that this movie is going to be great and this movie not going to be great. You can tell that from upfront.
Well, you hope. You have hope. You don't know which one is actually going to work out to be good, but these are the ones that are the most promising based on everything that's surrounding them.
But I suspect, just hearing about you, that you get it right for the most part, don't you?
I try my best. I've been known to be wrong every now and then, but we're all human here.
Yeah, man, we can't live with every now and again.
Yes, every now and then is fine.
Yeah, man, we can't live with that. Oppenheimer, first one. Tell me about that.